Hello, Quizzy Buddies. Welcome to Super Fun Quiz D channel.
Welcome to the new General Knowledge Nature Edition.
What is the tallest tree species in the world? It's redwood. Which gas do plants absorb from the air? It's carbon dioxide. What is the largest ocean on Earth? It's Pacific Ocean. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? It's lion. What natural phenomenon is caused by the reflection and refraction of sunlight in raindrops? It's rainbow. What is the slowest moving animal in the world? It's sloth. Which part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? It's leaf. What percentage of the Earth's surface is covered by water? It's 71%. What is the largest land animal? It's elephant. What is the most common gas in Earth's atmosphere? It's nitrogen.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. See you again in next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.